Hey guys, today we're in studio with the 2025 Toyota Highlander. This is the 25th edition to commemorate 25 years of the Highlander being in production. The Highlander's brought a couple firsts for Toyota. It was the first unibody SUV in their lineup. And it was also the first hybrid SUV in production for the second generation in the mid-2000s. This 25th edition is limited to 2,500 units. It's available in two color options. This heavy metal gray, which premiered on the GR Corolla, or wind chill pearl. You get 20-inch wheels. These are painted in kind of a silver gray. Really nice looking wheel design. This takes some features from the platinum grade, even though this is based on the limited trim. We get this silver painted lower door trim from the XSE, and this front and rear bumper trim from the platinum. Also, there are 25th edition badges everywhere on this Highlander. We'll pop the tailgate here. There's one on the floor mats right here, or at least on the trunk mat. Down here on the door sill, embossed in the headrest, and on your key sleeve. Oh, and there's one more. When you turn the vehicle off, it shows up in the puddle lamp projected under the mirror. This is also a unique interior for the 25th edition. Toyota is calling it Portobello. It looks fantastic. Toyota refreshed the Highlander a couple of years ago in 2023. They changed a few things around with this interior, put the wireless charging up here from where it was in the center console, and moved a few buttons around. The interior ergonomics of this car are fantastic, and the interior quality feels quite good. This was kind of the first Toyota to come out a few years ago that really felt like it was encroaching upon Lexus levels of fit, feel, finish, and quality. And I've really enjoyed living with my 2021 Toyota Highlander as a family vehicle, a daily driver for my wife, and just kind of an all-around, highly fuel-efficient option. That also brings me to the point, the Highlander 25th edition is only available as a hybrid with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain. I don't have any word on pricing right now, but I will update any info I find out in the description if we get it before the embargo lifts. Nice that Toyota is offering this 25th edition to commemorate all this time for the Toyota Highlander. It's been a great vehicle over the years for families. It's been efficient, nice alternative to Toyota's body-on-frame SUVs for someone who wants a little bit more of a efficient package and a little bit more space inside. This being a unibody allows for a bit better packaging in the interior, more space in the third row, and of course now, recently we've seen the Grand Highlander come into the lineup with even more room in the back. Honestly though, for most people's needs, I think this third row is pretty sufficient. It's a good size. We have captain's chairs in this Highlander. I'm 5'10", and with that seat folded forward, I could make a short trip in this Highlander hybrid. I always like that Toyota includes their little seat belt keepers here so they don't rattle around. And this heavy metal gray does look great on this Highlander. All right, guys, that's just a quick walk around in studio. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully we'll get a chance to get this on the road at some point and give you guys some updated driving impressions, maybe compared to our 2021 Highlander. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.